We're going to start this puppy up. Clear? Prop?
And welcome back to Tip of the Week. This week we continue our series of what's behind those hangar doors. This will be door number 2 in lovely Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Though I'm not there right now, but that's not the point. This week we stumbled across a hangar and we peered inside, and you can kind of see what caught our eye. But basically, I want to ask the question, what do you do to get young people involved in aviation that are even too young to get a young Eagles ride in an aircraft? Well, let's meet a gentleman who has taken upon himself to get those very young'uns interested with these wonderful pedal pushers. Let's take a look.
Welcome. I'm Gary Sampson from Aviation Products. We make pedal planes. These are planes for little kids from 3 to 7, and we sell them as kits. This is our new model, the Corsair. It's scaled down from the real thing, modeled just like the real thing. The 3 to 7-year-old can get in here, and there's steering. There's a joystick in here for steering, and also the prop goes around as it moves. You can see that. I'll lift one side here, and they all pretty much all do that. We've mimicked a lot of older airplanes. These happen to be warbirds type. Steerman here has an exposed engine. All these parts are available in a kit, or you can scratch build them. Either way. We sell plans as a package, and also any kinds of kits, so that you can buy all the parts for that. Next is Mustang. That's our most popular one. Always has been. We've sold thousands of these things. The same thing. The propeller goes around when you pedal. They're made basically from plywood. Basic structure is, and then there's these skins. These covers are made out of aircraft quality, 2024 T3 aluminum. Kids can sit on them, step on them, do whatever, and they seem to last. This one's built in 1985. Been to Oshkosh almost every year since '85, so they're rugged. The only thing it has is been repainted once. This is something most people wouldn't recognize. It's called a Scorpion. It happened to be a favorite of the founder of Aviation Products. It was a model airplane that someone designed. So, but we have that. That's the only one that doesn't really mimic a real airplane. Then this, of course, for the old timers, this is a J3 Cub. Got the engine detailed a little bit, exposed spark plugs and dog ears and everything on there. Same operations. Most all of them are tail wheel steering. AT6. We offer SNJ, and also a version of a Harvard version for either Canadian or English folks. Super Cup. This is our second most popular one and the most difficult to build. This is a GB. This cowl is made out of wood. In the kit, you get 65 little pieces that you have to glue together, glue them around here, kind of like a whiskey barrel, and then sand this shape. All these airplanes have brackets on them for right now, just to hold them in place. So they're normally taken off for the kids to pedal around. RV, this is a fairly new one, new model that we have. We tried to cover our bases there again, trying to incorporate the design features of the real airplane. Tiger moth there in the back. That again is built in the late 80s and gone to Oshkosh all along too. Another Mustang. And then we've got a Taylor Craft, which this got the end numbers. So the founder of Aviation Products had Taylor Craft with this end number, and that's why we use that number, and he called it Hobo's Bonanza. Stagger wing, it kind of just captured all the little neat little things on the stagger wing. Even got wing wires on it and the whole works. Again, standard kind of yellow color that the beach had for the stagger wing. And this is seen a lot. This has been out inside for some time in its life. Has been refurbished a little bit. But again, this doesn't have a prop on this one, but we have a kit that you can add that revolving propeller onto it too. And so that just about covers most of the models we have. We have a few that's not shown here.
And where would people go for more information?
Pedalplanekits.com.
Gotcha.
And just drop us a line. There's buttons there to push to drop downs for pricing and so forth. It's all on the website.
And can be shipped right to them.
And we're shipped right to them. We have a little bit of a lead time. They're popular, and there's two of us, two old retired guys that run the whole operation.
Because you need to have some time for flying.
Yes.
Great. Thank you.
Okay.
Well, there you have it. I'm almost a little afraid to keep stumbling down the runway here and finding out what other hangars have inside, but that's why I hope you'll come back next time. And in the meantime, sometimes I forget to say, I'm not sure what you're doing in the background, but at minimal, get back to building, please. See you then.